Hi, my name is Stacia Appleberry, and I'm 37 years old. I live in Detroit, Michigan. I attend Triumph Baptist Church. I have two wonderful little boys and a wonderful husband. And my inspiration to sing is my children and my husband. And today I'm going to sing Pass Me Not, O Gentle Savior. Pass me not, O gentle Savior, hear my humble cry, while on others thou art calling. Do not pass me by. I'm calling you, Savior, Savior. Hear my humble cry. Oh, why?